So many videos on YouTube are talking about how you can do drop shipping and start a business with $0. Well, first off, that's absolutely not true. You can't start a business with $0. You still have to buy a domain name and a Shopify hosting plan. And there's other things that you're going to have to do. And so, sorry, just fact check. Can't do it with $0. But also, I think that dropshipping is dead in 2024. There's a lot of reasons why I think dropshipping is no longer a great business model to use for your store and what I think you should do instead. The biggest reason is that I think that customers have gotten smarter and they're just expecting more from when they buy products online. They now know that they can buy cheap products from China from other sites like Temu or Shein or Alibaba or even on Amazon as well, and not have to pay for a markup. They know what they're getting with that it is a cheap product from China. So the quality may not be there, the size may not be right, but it feels a little bit more worth the risk because they're paying just a couple dollars for it. If you're paying then that markup that you're trying to sell the product for on your store, they're gonna expect more from you. And they're gonna expect that the quality is better, that there's a little bit more of a brand experience around it, and that there's really fast shipping times. When dropshipping was really big a couple years ago, people really didn't know all of these things and would buy a product from an ad and then be super surprised that it took 3 to 4 weeks to get here or that it was crappy and it fell apart right away. Now people have gotten a lot smarter in the beginning and won't even buy these products now, or will just look instantly for that cheaper alternative online. Now talking about the faster shipping. No one is going to wait 3 to 4 weeks to get a product that they have purchased online and wait to it to be delivered. Just no one's going to. It is not okay, and so many people are gonna get upset and are just going to have a return or just mark it as fraud with their bank because they're expecting to get their products quickly. I somewhat blame Amazon for this one with the fast, free 2-day shipping, but honestly, even being a small business, a lot of people are still expecting to receive their product within the week that they purchase that product. So if you're getting the product sent directly from China to the customer, it's going to take easily a month, and no one's going to wait for that. It's just gonna frustrate people. You're gonna have a high rate of returns and end up getting your different merchant accounts shut down. Okay, so what should you do instead of dropshipping now? Now that I've said why I think it doesn't work. Well, first off, print on demand is a great option instead. This lets you design different types of creative designs for different niches or different customers and be able to have them uploaded onto products that then gets printed and fulfilled for you. So it's going to a separate third-party printer, and you don't have to manage any of the inventory, you don't have to fulfill the order, print the order, anything like that. All of that's done for you. So it's still a lower cost of entry into that. So you don't have to pay for an order until it's actually purchased. So that makes it really cost effective when you're just getting started out. Plus you're not having a huge amount of inventory on hand of different sizes or different products and designs trying to guess what's gonna sell best. Instead, you're just paying for it when it's fulfilled. So you can kind of use that as a way to test different designs or different audiences a little bit more to see what resonates best, what ad creative resonates the most and gets the most sales, what products are selling best before you actually invest in getting your own inventory and managing that, which will help increase your profit margin whenever you are ordering in bulk and shipping out yourself. However, there's other costs associated with that. So print on demand is a great way to get started. There's also so many different print-on-demand providers now, having so many different types of product options that you can print on, from anywhere from beach towels to shoes, t-shirts, mugs, you name it. There's so many different things, and you can find this specific product that you're looking for and really test it out with different designs. Another great option is to do dropship products, but in a different way. So an app that I recommend is called Spocket, which has dropship products in the US and EU. They are high quality vetted products that they've already verified, that are quality products, plus they're shipping from a location that your customer is most likely going to be buying in. If you're targeting US customers, having it shipped from a US facility means that it's going to be fulfilled a lot faster, and the shipping cost is going to be lower as well. So that kind of resolves that issue then of the fast customer shipping times and makes it a little bit easier. There's also a new option now called Shopify Collective, which is through Shopify that they rolled out in one of their recent editions. But this is kind of the same. You've got different Shopify stores that are now offering that you can have their products on your store. So you're going through, choosing which products you'd like, and you can easily add it into your Shopify store and import the products directly inside of the Shopify interface, which is really helpful. It still is going to be where they manage the orders. When a product is ordered, they will send it out to your customer for you, and it still comes through your customer dashboard area in your Shopify store, but you're not having to do any of the fulfillment, which makes it really easy. So again, you're still drop shipping, but you're not drop shipping from China. You're still able to verify that they're high quality products, and they're gonna be faster shipping times as well. No matter what you do or how you sell products on your Shopify store, the number one thing you need to focus on is making sure that you have good customer support. So that means that you're answering your customers' questions quickly, that you have a branded style with your site, and that you're able to seem like a legitimate company, that if I give you my credit card and I'm ordering a product from you, I know that I'm gonna actually receive it. A lot of that just means that you need to have the information on your site to where people look into the FAQs and they feel like they've got all of their questions answered and that you're a reputable company. A great way to do this though is also with a Shopify chatbot. So this way you can easily answer any questions that a customer has directly on your site without even having to do email and back and forth correspondence. A great option for this is the Tidio chatbot, which uses AI-powered support for chat, so you don't even actually have to be the one answering the chat messages. I've got a whole video that breaks down why I love this Shopify chatbot, as well as how to quickly set it up for your Shopify store as well. So check out that video next to see exactly how to set this up quickly for your store today.